Hi everyone, with me today I have Apple Pencil tips. These are the replacement tips for the Apple Pencil. I here have the second generation one and I use it to take all my notes on my iPad. I absolutely love it, but just like an actual pen, after a while it runs out of ink. Well, this one runs out of tip, I guess, because the tip will start to show a little bit. It kind of looks like a little piece of metal and it will start scratching your iPad. Luckily, I already have a protective cover on. If you don't, you can also get this one off Amazon as well. It feels like paper and it is amazing. But to replace these, I definitely recommend you guys to get the original ones. These are from Apple themselves and it comes in a little pack of 4. To replace them, it's so easy. You just twist the tip all the way off. It comes out super easy and you're going to replace it with one of these. So again, the pack does come with 4 and these should last you a very, very long time. Don't go with other brands, go with Apple because it's going to give you the same feel as when you first got it and it is amazing. I definitely recommend you guys to check this out on Amazon. It's an awesome product.